Hello, my name's Alice Zaslavsky. I'm a cookbook author and I work in the media talking about food, cooking and nutrition. One of my favourite things about food and cooking is how it brings people together. Families and friends all around the world eat different meals which reflect their culture. Today, I'm sharing a story with you about Reshma, whose family are Indian Australian, and more specifically, Malayali Australian. Reshma's family culture originates from the present-day state of Kerala in South India. Reshma's friends invite her to stay for dinner at their house, and then she invites them back to stay for dinner at her house. Let's see what delicious meals they eat. Stay for Dinner, written by Sandhya Parappukkaran and illustrated by Michelle Pereira. I love dinner time with my family. Squishing splashy curry through layers of rice with our right hands. Side curries, pickles and papadums jostle for space on our plates. And on special days, we eat sadhya on big banana leaf plates. After school, I love playing sport with my friends, Charlotte, Phoebe and Leo. Today, it's soccer at Charlotte's. We practice keepy-uppies until dinner time. My parents call, they're stuck at work. Charlotte's mum says, "Stay for dinner!"